Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech with the unboxing of this TRONIC Socket Cube with USB ports. This is a 3-year warranty product that looks like a Powercube, a product that we have already unboxed, but this one here comes with 4 power sockets, 2 USB Type A and 1 USB Type C, a 1.5 meter cable and 18 and 20 watts respectively for the USB that are M.A.D compatible, that promises 30 minutes half the charge of your device, plus a docking base for the cube. Now this base can be mounted under your desk, and this TRONIC is a really budget product that we can unbox right now and check it closely. We just have to peel this really sticky seal here, or you can cut it like that, and okay, and here we have it. Okay, this is a manual. Right, here we can see how we mount the base on the table or underneath it. We have here 4 screws and a pair of more screws and some adhesive tape, I guess, and in the whole process we need a screwdriver, as I can see here in this second assembly leaflet. So here we can see, okay, we have all the specification again here in 2 languages. This is the English one. This is a EU product, so you might need adapter or a localized version of this in a non-EU country. Now this is the base, as we can see here. This is the surface to be attached under the table, and here in this bag we have all the needed screws as well as some adhesive tapes, and here we have the power cord and the cube itself. There it is. Now this is an empty box now, and here we have the power cord. We must cut this one just with a pair of scissors like that, and this is an alternative to the Powercube. This is a black colored one, but you can find it also in a white color version. Here we have 4 different power sockets, 2 USB Type A and 1 USB Type C here between the Type A's. Cheap plastic build, but a matte surface that I like instead of a glossy one that will scratch. Now the base is of the same plastic, but okay, we must see where to attach this one. I think it's under the cable here. By the way, this is a really lengthy cable, the more the better. Now let's check the screw bag here that has all the needed screws to attach the base to our table. You can also attach this one under the table, but to be honest, I think I'll just stick to the adhesive tapes, pun intended. Well, these are some peculiar big screws there. You can see, okay, they are made of plastic. It's the same plastic we have with a product, and it says we have a pair of metallic ones there that are smaller, plus the adhesive tapes there that, okay, they seem to be transparent, that I really like, and we just have to attach them here on the base on the one side. Okay, we just have to take a look for these on the manual there, and how to assemble it. It seems really simple. Well, it seems we attach the adhesives there and the screws, but we can just first test it and see what of this is working. So first we must assemble this. You know what? I found out that I can just screw them by hand. I've lost one of them in the process, so make sure that you have them in the bag. These are really lightweight. Now this cube is detachable from the base that we can test right here. We can push them into place and it locks. It's like a locking mechanism this for the cube, like that. Now one screw is missing, but you get the idea, and we can use the metallic screws here to screw them on the table, and optional can be the stickers. Use the adhesives there on the 3 spots. I think I'll use the adhesive there just to avoid damaging my table. So this was the unboxing of the TRONIC Socket Cube with USB ports, a great bargain product. Now feel free to leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from Tech, thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace!